Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. So here I am at the front of the store looking at all of the summer stuff. So let's walk around and take a quick look. Come with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now remember to click that like button and don't forget to comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to music and I'll see you at the end. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.